Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some sneak peeks of the Scrap Diva Designs April release. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting April 8th and get a 10% discount using my discount code prisgemicinc. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. This is the Makeup Bag Memorydex. Very, very beautiful. It has this top part here, all these makeup accessories, and here's one out here. I really love this one, this blush compact, and it has like different colors, and I put a mirror, and it says Forever Lovely, and there's these two swans together, and it includes these zipper pulls, a heart, and a bow. And also I punched out eyelet hole here, so I added these really fun charms, and I made this little tassel. And here's a swan over here, and then there's this little compact charm. So cute. Also within the set is these loopy flowers. I'll show you some more of these later on. And so yeah, I made this into a pocket, this makeup purse, which is really cool. And I'll show you some more of the little details. We have the brush, and it says the best, and then you have the lipstick, and I've labeled Love You, and then a side note for one of these foam blenders, and then this one's is a nail polish, and it says Us. And so this is the Makeup Bag Memorydex. It's really cute. I really love this. So many little details are included. It also includes the zipper here. So pretty. So yeah, a little fun die we have here. So cute. And it also includes this flap here, and you can like open it up too. And next we have this one here. This one is the Loopy Flower. There's 4 sizes, and we have the smallest one and then the second smallest one. And I've added these really beautiful pearl pieces in the middle here. And I'll show you the next project with the Loopy Flowers as well. Let's move on to the next project, and I really love this project. It's like so pretty, and I thought it was like so cool. And so here are the other Loopy Flowers. It includes this little middle part that you can roll up, and I've pushed a little pearl in the middle, as you can see here. It's like really pretty. So those are the 4 sizes. This is like the medium, and this is the largest size. So pretty. This project is called the 3D Desk Vanity. Look how pretty this is. It's just like so pretty. The back looks like that. And once you stand it up, you have this 3D vanity desk. I've added these 2 brads in the side here, so you can hang your like bracelets, maybe a necklace, but it's like kind of short. I've added some keychains here that are from part of the Scrap Diva Designs keychains, and there's so many different like styles, and these are like previous release, and I thought it was like perfect here, as you can see. And I've added these ones here. There's like a perfume and a rose. It's like perfect for this theme that I have. And the paper collection I'm using is Garden Party designed by Maggie Holmes, and it's like crepe paper, which is like a really old paper collection, but I really love this, and I think it suits this whole entire release. So I'll be using that collection for this whole, that paper collection garden party for this whole April release. It's just so awesome. So yeah, and so it includes this mirror here with the frame that has a heart doily kind of look to it. It's so pretty. And I have the lady holding a bunch of roses and staring into the mirror. It's like so pretty. And we also have this Shabby Chic butterfly duo. So this is the smaller one, and I have a bigger one, and I've layered it with some gold at the bottom, and then this nice vellum paper, pink vellum paper. And what I did was I added some sparkly glitter glue at the edges here to make it extra sparkly. And it's really cute set. You can put like many more things here. You can put like perfume bottles or whatever makeup stuff. And so let's open up this vanity desk drawer, and I have more of those keychains that are from the old release. I'll put a link where you can get these as well. They're so pretty, and it just matches with whatever theme I have here with the collection. And this puffy sticker is also from the garden party paper collection. So pretty. So I've added all these in here. Look how much this drawer could fit. It's just so wonderful. And you can put bracelets, you could put like what I did here and gift this. It's just so wonderful. And we have these from scrapdivadesigns December 2025 release, and it's so perfect. Like, you know, you can have it like here, you know, these pajama sets. So cute. And I have another pajama set here. There we go. So this is the 3D Desk Vanity. It's like so pretty. Just love it. It holds so much inside the drawer and around the vanity desk. And yeah, you could hold your necklaces or whatever. You could put a real mirror in here. In the back, you can even put something in there too. So this is the 3D Desk Vanity. And let's move on to the next project. We have this really wonderful spring gift box. Look how pretty this is. I'm just loving this, and it's very easy to make. And this rosette is from my stash, and this the spring gift box includes these really wonderful foliage as well as these bugs, and I made them sort of look like they have like gem encrusted bodies by putting some gold glitter and then topping it up with some of the I have like the bottle here, Nouveau drops. Yeah, that's what it is. Some clear Nouveau drops on top to make it look extra gemmy. And this beetle one, well, I think it is a beetle. Look at that. It's like so gem-like body. I just thought that was neat. And then this bee, I have like vellum paper topped up with some like shiny cold paper stickers on the top. And it's like so pretty. I just love it. And let's open it up. I use this really pretty ribbon. And inside you can put your gift, and I have this rabbit. Oh, so cute. Just in time for spring. It's like so cute. This present is just like matches with this. So yeah, it like fits perfectly in there. And it's really, really easy to make. And it's very beautiful. You just add a ribbon and then it's just like, and you tie it up like this and you can gift it. It's just so pretty. There we have it. The spring gift box, really wonderful gift box, very beautiful. Okay, let's move on. Finally, we have this one. This one is called the flip-flop folio set, and I really made it flip-flop like so many ways. And yeah, I just thought it was so cool. This flip-flop folio set has so many ways you can do it. You don't have to necessarily do my way. So and this way, the enclosure, you can like add as much as you like, and you can still like fit quite a few things. And so let's open it up. I made the circle myself as an enclosure. So just turn this. It's very easy. You can just have, if you have a little small circle die, just punch a hole in the middle and put a brad there, and that's it. And so yeah, let's open up. It's so pretty. And it flips like so many different ways, like I'm not kidding you. Yeah, so here's an option for the flip-flops folio set is you can add this little pocket that's stitched right onto the page, and you can add many things. It says take time to smell the roses. Here, this one, and we have another one. She's amongst the roses here. And then here we have sweet, and this is another option you can add on there, and it's part of the set, is this little pocket, and it kind of expands a little bit, so you can put like many things inside. I put tags in here. Look how many tags. I can probably even put more tags in here. I have like at least 5 tags in here. So yeah, it's a really great set to have, to put a lot of things like notes and stuff, pictures, photos, and all these little ephemera pieces. It just goes, and I'm thinking maybe you can put like cakes or whatever that you've die cut into this little pocket. And here's one here, this flap. You can flip it up like this, and you get this. You can decorate it with a photo. And this one says grow. She's growing some plants in her garden. Some plants in the pot for the garden. And then we have another pocket here, and I've added a seed packet, whatever picture here, and some more like note cards, and probably you can check off days when you watered or put fertilizer or whatever it is. You can like write different notes. And then here we have another die from the set. It's the A2, I think it's the A2 pocket. What is it called? A2 pocket. Let me see what this one is called. This one is the A2. Here we have the A2 shaker pocket. A2 shaker pocket is this one. I made it clear so you can see the back, and it's really cool. It has like all these little flowers in there and sparkly. I made it look like it's in the pond because there's like a little duck here, as you can swimming in the pond. So cute. So here's another swan here. It's like in the countryside with a greenhouse. And so what I did was I just glued this part and this part and this part so you can slip things in here and see through it. Isn't that awesome? So cool. So let's move on to the other pages, it's like so many flip-flops, like it's so wonderful. So yeah, so we can flop it to the next page here. And here we have another flip-flop. This fox is like inside another slit that you can do here. Here's another style slit. The other slit looks like this, as you see. And then this one is kind of circular, as you can see here. And I think this was supposed to go in the bottom, but it's fine. I can still, you know, put things in here. And it looks like this fox is in the resting amongst the grass in front of this house. And the perspective is like, it's like closer to the camera, and the house is like all the way in the back. So yeah, and here's another flip tag thing that I did, and I cut a hole, an oval hole here, and so added this frame so you can sneak peek, like a peekaboo kind of thing. And then you can see I open it up, and here's the second flower from the second butterfly from the Shabby Chic Duo die set that is also part of the April release, is this one. So if you compare the size of it, that's what it is. And this time I used some gold sparkle, glitter sparkles around the butterfly. And this butterfly is from a previous release. I will also put a link where you can get that. And here we have this bookmark that's part of the garden party set, and I've added a ticket here, emit one, and then you can also add more things if you like. You can flip this open, write things here, add more butterflies, and that's this flip flop book. Isn't it great? And you only need one of these, and you just wrap the string around and then tie it like this, so it could expand or whatever it is. And then you have this flip-flops folio set, which is really wonderful. So I'll put all the links to all these dies where you can get them, and also I'll put my discount code prisgemicinc in the description box below, as well as my affiliated link. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!